Getting started with your application can be the biggest challenge. We will guide you through an orientation of the application, what it's designed to do, and how to use it. To accelerate your ownership, the focus of this service is to guide you through the features and interface.
Hi, my name is Sarah Morales and I'm a Solutions Engineer with Solubit. Today I'm going to introduce you to the LabVIEW environment so that you have a better orientation when you want to get started building your application.
This is the LabVIEW launch screen. This is where you are able to open a new project, open a new file, open some existing projects if you've been working on anything. In this case, I'm going to show you guys how to create a brand new project, what that would look like, and then the tools that you'll see once you open that up. So here we have Create Project. Once you select that, LabVIEW will provide you with a couple of different templates. So you can have a blank project if you're starting from scratch, which will hold all your code for one application. You could have a blank VI, which is something more of like a function if you're familiar with text-based programming like C. And then there are some other templates that may be helpful if you know what type of application you want to make. And then some sample projects if you know what type of hardware you're using, if you're using a C-RIO, if you're using a PXI, anything like that here. So in this case, I'm just going to show you guys what a blank project would look like. So once you click the blank project, it's going to open you up a project tree, which will look like this here. So this project tree, it's gonna house all of your application. So you can see here that it's made on my computer. We're gonna have dependencies if there's any code dependencies that you would need. And then later on, more advanced, you can build that into an executable and so on.